How to draw Captain Fiddles from Garten of Banban, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Captain Fiddles, let's begin by drawing two circles towards the center of the page. These two circles will be the outline of Mr. Fiddles' eyes. Next, on the inside of each of the eyes, let's draw a curved line and fill it in completely black. This will be the pupil. Nicely done! Now let's draw the second pupil on the right hand side as well. Next, above what we just drew, let's go ahead and draw a long curved line going from left to right. Now, from each endpoint of that curved line, we're going to go ahead and begin to draw the arms as well as the hands of Mr. Fiddles. I am going to go back and forth between each side because we're going to want to make sure that each arm length is almost the exact same. Nicely done. Next we're going to draw the hands connected to the arms that we just made of Mr. Fiddles. And if you're enjoying this video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Great job! Next, in between the two arms, let's go ahead and draw the legs of Mr. Fiddles. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video. Now from the point that we're currently at, let's go ahead and draw a large upside down U curved line. We're going to want to take this all the way over to the right hand side, where we're going to begin to draw the right's leg and foot. Nicely done, so far this looks great. Now right below the eyes, let's go ahead and draw the mouth along with the two teeth. For the shape of the mouth, let's draw a sideways oval shape that is pointing upwards. The shape that we just drew can now be filled in completely black. Now last but not least, let's go ahead and draw two triangular shapes on the top of the oval shape that we just drew together. We upload step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you want to see more content just like this, then I highly recommend you consider hitting the subscribe button right below. Next, I will show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.